To replace a lower handle on your Troy-Bilt lawn mower, you will need a 9/16" wrench, a 7/16" wrench, and a clamp. For safety, detach the ignition coil wire from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting. Your first step is to remove the grass bag, if applicable. If you're replacing the right side lower handle, extend the starter rope and use the clamp to secure the rope in order to increase the slack. Now use the 7/16" wrench to secure the nut and the 9/16" wrench to unthread the bolt, securing the upper handle to the lower handle section you're replacing. Note the location of the adjusting bolt, then unthread the adjusting bolt wing nut to fully detach the upper handle from the lower handle. You can now unthread the mounting bolt and slide the old handle out. To install the new lower handle, insert the round end into the axle support, keeping the flat side of the handle facing outward. Thread and tighten the mounting bolt. Align the upper handle with the lower handle and insert the mounting bolt. Thread the nut loosely. Insert the adjusting bolt into the appropriate hole, then thread and tighten the wing nut. You can now fully tighten the mounting bolt nut. If applicable, release the clamp securing the starter rope, making sure the rope handle is seated in the retainer. Reattach the ignition coil wire to the spark plug, and your lawn mower should be ready for use.